How do I delete messages that won't delete on my iPhone?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to tackle a common issue many iPhone users face: messages that refuse to delete. This video will provide a simple, step-by-step guide on how to get around this issue and successfully delete those stubborn messages on your iPhone.
Are you deleting the messages correctly?
First off, let's make sure you are following the correct procedure to delete messages. Even though you might think you are, it's easy to overlook the steps, so let's go through them again. 1. Open the Messages app on your iPhone. 2. Swipe left on the conversation you want to delete. 3. Tap the red delete button. If you've done this correctly and the messages still won't delete, let's move to the next section.
Have you tried a forced restart?
Sometimes, a simple forced restart can solve a number of issues on your iPhone, including stubborn messages that won't delete. Here's how to do a forced restart on your iPhone. 1. Press and quickly release the volume up button. 2. Press and quickly release the volume down button. 3. Press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Wait for your iPhone to restart, then try deleting the messages again.
Is your iPhone updated to the latest iOS version?
Often, software glitches can cause problems such as messages not deleting. To fix this, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. Here's how. 1. Go to the Settings app. 2. Tap on General. 3. Tap on Software Update. 4. If an update is available, tap Download and install. After updating, see if you can delete the messages.
Have you tried deleting your messages through iCloud?
If none of the previous steps have worked, try deleting the messages through iCloud. You need to ensure that your messages are being backed up to iCloud for this to work. 1. Go to Settings. 2. Tap on your Apple ID at the top. 3. Tap iCloud. 4. Make sure the Messages switch is turned on. Now, you can log into your iCloud account on another device like a Mac or an iPad, find the messages there, and delete them. Well, that's it for today. I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful for you in resolving the issue of stubborn messages that won't delete on your iPhone. If these methods don't work, consider reaching out to Apple support. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.